I got the idea to try trading on the site for extra money. I did it every day for 2 months and ended up losing around $2,000. So I decided to stop. In this video, I'll explain why I failed and lost money. I'll also share some tips to help you avoid losses if you want to try trading. Hi and welcome to this video. Let's talk about trading first. Some say it is an easy way to make money because you either win or lose, like flipping a coin. When you buy something, you already have a 50-50 chance of winning. But here's the catch. If you are interested in trading, you will find a lot of information online about how and where to start. There are different platforms and ways to trade, like ETFs or CFDs. CFDs are the quickest way to start, but be careful. Many online platforms say that 75% of people trading CFDs lose money. I think it's more like 90 or 95%. My experience was losing money, and these platforms aim for that. They want you to lose money, and they'll do everything to convince you to put more money into your account. Now let's get into the reasons why I lost money. First, the trading platform I used turned out to be a scam. Even though it's a big and famous platform, they did some tricky things. The prices they showed were different from the actual stock market prices. When I was winning, the platform would suddenly make the price go down for a second and I'd lose all my money. When I asked them about it, they said it was my fault for not having enough money in my account to cover losses. I couldn't get my money back, and that's when I learned not to trust these online platforms. Always check where they operate from and if they are trustworthy. My advice is to stick with a bank and stay away from CFDs because they are not real. It's like playing a game with a referee who is against you. Another reason was because I started trading during the COVID-19 pandemic. The market was unpredictable and crazy, making it hard to make good decisions, and that led to losses. Now let's move to the personal reasons. Firstly, I traded with margins. In reality, if you are just starting, it's not a good idea because it's like gambling. You're betting on whether the price of something like oil will go up or down. There are two options: put if the price goes down and call if it goes up. If the price moves a lot, you can either win big or lose big, and this was a problem. Secondly, I traded with borrowed money. This brought a lot of emotions into the mix because I was afraid of losing. Sometimes I wasn't thinking rationally, leading to bad decisions and losing money. Additionally, I made some rules after spending time in trial account, but I didn't follow them. For instance, one rule was to never open 2 deals at the same time. I kept breaking this rule and opening 2 deals at the same time. Another rule was to never leave money overnight, to close deals quickly to avoid uncertainties when the market opens. I didn't stick to these rules and it added to my losses. Another mistake was not using tools on the platform to limit losses or reduce risks. There were options like setting a limit to close a deal if it reached a certain point, whether I won or lost. I used them sometimes, but mostly I neglected them, leading to significant losses. Furthermore, I didn't do enough research before starting a deal. I wasn't keeping up with the news or studying the assets I was trading. Instead, I relied on good feelings, which isn't the right approach when real money is at stake. In summary, the lessons I learned from this experience are: choose the right platform and do your own research to avoid losing money. Avoid trading with emotions, it usually leads to losses. Use tools that help reduce losses and risks. Trade only with money you own and won't affect your life if lost. Be skeptical about advertisement promising easy money or social trading Many are scams. Stick to reputable bank. If you have any question, leave a comment and I'll do my best to help. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.